Good afternoon. This is Jason Shepard with the Anchor Room. This is going to be a quick, fast, and easy installation. On the 2024 Raptor, as you know, there is no indicator that is colored any longer. So I realize that this can be done simpler. However, this is a perfectly sized piece of vinyl. Installation is very direct and forward. It will overlap slightly, so I would start in the center and then just roll it around and roll it on top of each other. And you can do this dry. But the important part, to make sure that it tapers properly, use a heat gun, put a little heat on it, and let it fall right into the edges. Be careful using heat on your steering wheel. But the great thing is it even shows the texture through if this is done properly. And that's all there's to it.